Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I just want to make this video for all the boys, all the passport boys, and all the boys that, out there wasting their time and wasting their life, family. I just want to make this video, guys, as you know, I'm a big fan of Kevin Samuels and I was watching him and all of that, family. So I just want to make this video, family, why Kevin Samuel would still alive if he was practicing what he was preaching, family. So why Kevin Samuels was still alive today if he was practicing what he was preaching, family. So as you know, guys, I'm not sure, but Kevin Samuels is a man that actually come up in the manosphere, and he was talking a lot of stuff, family. He was talking a lot of stuff that most men, didn't know or, couldn't understand. It was happening in front of them eyes, so they couldn't actually, they couldn't actually, see it as a problem, but it was a problem. So it was not until Kevin Samuels started to talk about it, family, men start to wake up and start to realize, but shit, what this woman is doing right now is some things that, is out of boundary, So, I remember in fighting, like I have like 2 ex I used to fight to watch Kevin Samuels. When I put on Kevin Samuels and, the hot topic start and him start say some things and we start say it to them and I say, yo, they get vexed, plug out our TV, fight, I remember one time my man was mash up the TV. Because this girl will tell me that me buy me TV, me I pay me rent and I do everything. And she will tell me that, you can't watch Kevin Samuels and think, I don't like him and his stuff, what he's saying is not right and all kind of thing. Yet still the man have 1 million subscribers. So as that situation, that girl is actually, she's doing the things them that Kevin Samuels is talking about. And that man should not allow. And once a woman is doing those things, you have to push them to the side of the curve and just, they're not wife material. So guys, so all of these things, I remember fighting, trust me, and I'm telling you that, it's a sticky situation. But even with my current wife I'm with right now, I was actually watching Kevin Samuel normal and she was even commenting and saying some of the things that is even wrong, what woman is doing. So now I realize the difference, family. I said there's 2 types of woman, And once a woman start to agree what a woman is doing wrong, that woman is the same as the woman that is doing the wrong, family. So, I just want to make this video talk to my passport bros and for my fellow men, younger men out there, as you know, we have a new school, a new age of young men right now, and all of these guys following Andrew Tate and all of these guys willing to change the game, family, because, the world, the society is putting man down right now, and man is the one that build the world. Man is the prize, A lot of feminist movement make it look like woman is the prize. The man is the prize. The man is the creator of all things, woman create life, yes, but everything has its balance in life, family. And as a man, there's things that you have to know. You have to know this game, and if you don't know this game, I'm really sorry for you, because all you will be using, woman will be simping you out and wimping you out, family. So, I just want to get into this video where I was going to talk about why Kevin Samuel was still alive if he was practicing what he's preaching, because I just eat the meat. I don't really eat meat, but I eat the fruit and spit out the seed. As the saying would say, you eat the meat and spit out the bones. So, the meat that Kevin Samuel was talking about, or the fruit that he was talking about, is to get married as a family. He used to big on marriage and putting people, professional people who fit each other together based on their mindset and stuff. And that's what he was doing for the black community. And he was talking a whole lot of things. Marry before you carry, to all the black females them out there. Don't have no baby for no man who don't put a ring on your finger. Just carry that true life and you can live happy live after. Because once you have a child, if you're a man, no man of value want another man child to raise and all of this, because that's like 18 years, or that's everlasting baggage you have to be carrying, and a lot of back and forth and stuff. So once you learn these skills as a man, and you know what I mean, you start to actually, you know what I mean, do your thing. There's certain things you don't accept from a woman, and that's the thing. So guys, I just still want to touch into that and let you guys know that, you know, why Kevin Samuels, you know, wasn't practicing what he's preached, and wasn't practicing what he was preaching, and that's the reason why he's not alive today. And I feel the reason for that is that he actually gets success very late, and when he get that success late, he still want to do like what he was doing in his 20s. He still want to do like the 20-year-old, what 20-year-old does. He still want to have all of these girls coming to his apartment. He still want to have, and as you reach a certain age, you know what I mean, he still want to do what the young guys them are doing. Then you have to maybe be taking some pill or living on some energy drink. And as you know, Kevin Samuels used to drink the Red Bull like water, family. He used to drink it like water, and that's not good. That damage your heart. So imagine you're drinking Red Bull all week, and you have a female come and check you, and now you have to do all of that work now, and maybe you pop a one pill or you take a supplement or whatever it is to put you on the energy. Obviously, that must kill you. That must kill your heart, because when you come on the sex, your heart is the what, you know, and the blood flow and everything, you know what I mean, has to chip in for you to do that work. And though you come and talk online, and you know what I mean, and you start seeing it, getting all of these, and that's the thing, you know what I mean, and that's the thing, you know, as a man, you have to understand when you get success at an older age, you have to act your age, you have to do what is right. You know what I mean? So you can't actually, you know what I mean, you get success and you want to behave like a young boy, you want to, you know what I mean? I don't know, he's coming out of a few marriage or whatever. But what he should have done, he should have find at least a young girl to be his wife, and have a woman around and start to cook for you and take care of you, and start to eat healthy, you know, start to drink up your juice, and, you know, follow a plant-based diet. All of these things Kevin Samuel talk about for female to lose weight and all kind of thing. But he wasn't doing it, family. And that's the thing. Success can get to some man's head that they feel like there's God. And they feel like, you know what I mean, they feel like nothing cannot happen to them. And it happened to a lot of male who get success. They feel like, say, yo, them on top of the world. You know what I mean? And only if he was like, you know what I mean, catch him sense and realize, yo, I get this late, let me just settle down right now, have a family, and just go and teach. Because you have to be preaching what you're teaching. You can't be preaching marriage and stuff if you don't have a wife. You know what I mean? First thing, you come to your others and say you're looking for a wife. You get a wife, you're married, and make all the young guys them see that you're married now, and then stuff. And you continue your show till you're 100, and you eat healthy. And you know what I mean? You're so beneficial to the black community right now, because I feel like Kevin Samuels was very impactful for the family, for building back the black family. So family, it's so sad that you never understand health, that health is your only wealth, family. So if you're not feeling well, you're not feeling good, check out Vegan Choice Foods. Have some products, you can check them out. Detox and cleansing, you know, ditch the processed food, start with some natural foods that come from nature. You know what I mean? Start with a detox and a cleanse, and start with your fruit smoothie, and start up a 30-day fasting program, family. Change up your diet, clean up your heart and come. Clean up your heart and come, family. Clean up your heart and come, family. So, you know, as you know, guys, you know what I mean, I hope you learned something from this video. And if you're a guy that feel like you have it all and you can't lose it all, yeah man, there's one thing that we have to face, and there's one thing that, you know what I mean, that is not something you can control anyways. You can just drive down the road and meet an accident, God forbid. But there's certain things that you can control. You can control what you put in your body. And if God decide that this is how long you're gonna stay on earth, you won't go out because of heart failure, of any, you know what I mean, ailments, family. So, you know what I mean, I just want to make this video for you to actually take this thing serious, and don't make success go to your head and you start to eat all of this rich food and start to go all of these fancy restaurants and eat all of these steak and all of these things. You know what I mean? All of these things, because Kevin Samuels, you know what I mean, have access to anything he want right now after him start to be successful online. And he never actually get a chance to actually, you know what I mean, it's just a short live, you know, and there was so much more to come from him. You know, him seeing putting, you know, black people, the family on a platform, on a world stage, and so many, you know, female learning and so many male learning. It just like was such an energy that was so good for the black community and stuff. And a lot of guys, after Kevin Samuels, a lot of guys take up this passport bro thing, and they start to travel and find wives and stuff. And who no find wives still a travel, I experience woman to understand what they really like and stuff, family. So, I really hope you learn something from this. And if you're a guy that, success is actually knocking at your door and you feel like you're gonna get successful, and you feel like you're on top of the world, it's just to take a take a step back and look into yourself and realize the important thing in life. And our longevity and a long life on earth, is way better than anything else in this world, family. No money, it's just you to understand when you get it, what you do with it, you be wise. So, just be wise, be wise, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa, family. I hope you learned something from this video. Like, share and comment. There's some health products below here, go check it out, get your cleanse, get your detox, and understand more about your health and what your body needs. For the fuel, the body is electric. Once you put dead things inside, what is happening? Just like when you cut a fruit and you mix a smoothie, you listen to it, you hear the live things inside going through it, the live. When you eat a piece of meat or something that is dead, you cannot hear nothing from it, family. So we just want to share this message with you, and I hope that this can actually help you, family, to actually there's three, I just want to share this with you. There's three people that influenced my life. Robert Kiyosaki with the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, that has to do with my finance, family. And when it come out to my health, was Dr. Sebi, family, the alkaline foods, the alkaline diet. When it come out to relationship, it was Kevin Samuels who actually helped me to harness throughout all I do is bad females that has no value and don't want to cooperate and don't want to be feminine and all kind of thing. I learned that from Kevin Samuels. So these are the three people that influenced my life, family, and I hope those people are the reason why I'm here today, and I actually going strong, going strong, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. One love, jobless, Jamaica.